morning dew on fresh green Bilimbi leaves. The Bilimbi Tree, simple, green and full of life. The tree covered with clusters of small green fruits, sunlight reflecting on the smooth skin of the fruit. Its soured fruits, rich in vitamin C and nature's gift for flavor and health. A hand cut a Bilimbi fruit, the juice glistening in sunlight. The Bilimbi Tree, a humble friend in our gardens, bringing taste, health, and tradition to life. Bilimbi, nature's sovereign treasure.